Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vasa Olga, and today we're gonna recreate this makeup look that I'm wearing on my lids right now. So I hope that you like this one. In case you don't really like the lips I am wearing right now, oh my god, it's my cat. So in case if you don't really like this lips, then of course you can substitute with something more natural and take off this falsies, apply a little bit of mascara, and you are ready to go. So I'm gonna make this up to you, and in my next video I'm gonna film something probably dramatic, because my previous video was about drama, about darkness, about something kind of like it wasn't casual, let's say it this way. So this video is a little bit different. I try to do my best to recreate some crease. So this makeup routine is a little bit different. It's not the way it was in my previous videos. So this one is more easier and this is much more comfortable. So today I used liquid highlighter from Makeup Revolution. This is not about Makeup Revolution. This is mostly about all liquid highlighters. I realized that it's not my thing. Looks weird, and I still had to use a little bit of my kind of like regular highlighter. So enough talking, of course, and let's just get started. Don't forget to click the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and see all the links down below. Every single product will be listed down below as well. So let's get started. Okay guys, we're gonna use pretty much the same primers but did in my previous video. So with the finger, I'm just gonna blend this out, and with a flat brush, I'm gonna grab Morphe X James Charles eyeshadow palette and this beautiful beige color, really natural one. So I'm gonna pat this all over my lid to make sure that everything is gonna be much more easier to blend. Then with the tiniest brush in Makeup Revolution Roxy palette, I'm gonna mix peaches, fetch, and red velvet colors and apply this on my crease. So on the third of my lid, I'm gonna apply at first some peaches, then in the middle I'm gonna grab this fetch color, and to create the curve actually for the cut crease, I'm gonna grab red velvet, and this is not last but not the least color. It's kind of like a must for me to do. And with a smaller blending brush, I'm just gonna make sure that, and with this kind of like baby pink color, I'm just gonna make sure that these colors look absolutely insane and kind of like mixing together, blends out perfectly well. And with a little bit fluffier, bigger blending brush from beige Studio Pro brush collection, I'm just gonna create this kind of like decent makeup look with the same brush, small brush, and red velvet color from Roxy palette. I'm just gonna make sure that to emphasize the edge, and yeah, to blend this out one more time with the same BH blending brush from the same collection. So to actually create a cut crease, you have to use liquid eyeshadows, as I did, or some concealer. It just depends on. So with a flat brush, it's really important, it's crucially important to pick the right flat brush. So I did pick the wrong one, and that's why it turned out a little bit kind of like messy, and with the really gentle touches, and just you have to be really soft with this cut crease, because it might turn out a little bit kind of like messy. With the pigment from Essence, I'm just gonna create the sparkles all over the lid, but it depends on you can't see this, you can spot this on the camera, I don't know why. With this champagne color from James Charles, I should have palette as well. I'm just gonna add a little bit in my inner corner, and I guess we're pretty much done. And a little bit of this color on my brow bone. So I'm just gonna take off this protector and use my BH liquid eyeliner that I'm obsessed with, because I have one from NYX, but as you can see, I just don't use it on my channel because it's not matte. This one is matte, but from NYX, I guess this is the fold of insistence. She told me like this was matte. And with my extreme I love extreme mascara from Essence, I'm just gonna coat my lashes with one layer of this mascara. I don't really remember what about this really hot pink color, and I'm gonna accomplish this with the same pink color from my James Charles palette. And with this baby pink color, I'm just gonna smooth out every single step that we did for my lower lid. With this beige cosmetics and a Wet n Wild foundation, I'm just gonna mix them together because Ivory is a little bit too pale for my skin tone, but beige is dark, so I'm mixing them together with a foundation brush, and then I'm gonna make sure that everything looks nice and smooth. So I'm gonna use my beauty blender as well from NYX, if I'm not mistaken. And my next step is to grab the Sephora concealer and use this underneath my eyes, on my nose, and my chin, and on my forehead. So with the beauty blender, the same beauty blender, I'm just gonna mix everything together. So this NYX powder I used a couple of times and I have no complaints. This routine is so easy to recreate, so easy to do. A little bit of this baby pink color as well to make sure that my lower lids look absolutely gorgeous and insane. And with the contouring palette from Wet n Wild, I'm just gonna apply this on my cheeks, on my forehead, and in my jawline, if I'm not mistaken. So I just kind of like found out this trick with the sponge. You create this super straight line, and then with the round brush, you're just gonna diffuse the edges. And that's pretty much it. Well, a little bit of this color in the tip of my nose, and I actually love grabbing my blush and do the same kind of stuff with the tip of my nose. And with this liquid highlighter, I realized I hate them because it's so hard to apply and still it doesn't look decent. So that's why I had to use my regular highlighter as well to make sure that it looks nicely, kind of like I don't know, shimmery. And with this Wet n Wild blush, I'm just gonna accomplish the look. And then I grabbed this Obsession collection from Makeup Revolution, this lip liner and lipstick. Lip liner is good, but a lipstick is totally like it is really awful. I do not recommend you using this. I applied so many different layers of this product and still I ended up with the spots all over my lips. And yeah, I do not recommend buying this one, but I didn't have any other brand the same color, so that's why I used this one. A little bit of a matte finish spray from NYX, and that's it. Enjoy. Okay guys, this concludes this video. I hope you really like how my makeup look turned out, how your makeup look might turn out, and of course every single step is optional. I didn't show you how I did my brow routine in this video because I feel this is not the best routine ever, so that's why I'm not gonna share it with you guys. Brows, it's like my pain, and this is my sorrow, and yeah, this is kind of it. But if you're interested, I have my brow routine in my previous video, so check this out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and all the product is going to be listed down below as well. And I hope to see you in my next video that's going to be uploaded really soon. Bye bye.